Money can't be my only motivation. The world too big, everything saturated. I'm just trying to live life and make it amazing. Never was the path clear, I'm going through mazes. Trying to learn from what I know, not from what I'm thinking. The world crazy.
All right, we 1-1 right now. You dig what I'm saying?
Give me some now, 3. All right, put some in now. Come on now. 7-3 now. Yes, sir. I gotta be like one of them NBA ass niggas that be getting the sweat off the court and shit. They be like, hey, bro. And then they get up like, hey.
Damn. All right, we in there.
Watch your win, bro. 4-3.
It was believed that the soul matter resided in the head, and by transferring it to another village, prosperity would follow.
Straight like that, we just left the home show, man. Now I'm live here at IKEA here in Sharonville also, man. So we're just walking through the kitchen area right now, just checking it out, seeing what they got. ZAKTAWKSTV, man, checking in with the gang. Make sure you guys remember to check out my music on Spotify. Just type in ZAKZEPPELN and follow me on Snapchat at Zach Zeppelin, also on Instagram. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, hey, ready or not, here I come. Skinny boy, money big, FIFA fun. Never back down, never did I run. We don't throw hands, better get that gun. But I won't miss, I'm a little boy slum. I can bet $1 million, he don't want none. Thought shit sweet, turn sour like a plum. Yeah, Zach, LN, loose, never, yeah.